In my previous video on the Samsung Galaxy M51, I talked about the leaked specifications, but at that time we didn't have any images of the phone in order to get to know the design of it. Well, today we got the official renders of the Galaxy M51 thanks to Sudhanshu on Twitter. These renders show the design of the phone and also the two color options of it. So the Galaxy M51 is coming in white and black colors, and design wise there is absolutely no difference between it and the Galaxy M31s. So the M51 has the same Infinity O display on the front, the same quad camera setup design and the same side facing fingerprint scanner. So it is only the color options and the specifications that are different. The Samsung Galaxy M51 has a 6.67-inch Super AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution, and the chipset is Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G, not the 730. As we know already, there is a huge 7000 mAh battery, which is the biggest battery Samsung has ever put in its phone. For faster charging, the phone supports 25-watt fast charging, and just like the Galaxy M31s, you will get the 25-watt charger in the box itself. Since there is such a huge battery inside, the weight of the phone is 213 grams, whereas the thickness is 8.3 mm. Now, when it comes to the cameras, there is the same camera setup on the Galaxy M51 as on the Galaxy M31s. So there is a primary 64 megapixel rear camera paired with a 12 megapixel ultra-wide, a 5 megapixel macro and a 5 megapixel depth sensor. On the front, there is a 32 megapixel camera. The Galaxy M31s has the 64 megapixel Sony IMX682 sensor, so the M51 most likely has the same camera sensor. So with all these details now available, the only thing that we don't exactly know is the price. The starting price is rumored to be Rs 23,990, which is not a bad pricing at all for a Samsung device. Well, that's it for this video, and as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one.